How to find activity log settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find activity log settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, activity log, and here you can manage your activity log settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, of course, just manage anything you want and go back and it will be saved, and that's it. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.